Hello friends, myself Krishna Prabha. Today I'm going to show you how to make a simple and healthy salad. Ingredients we need: corn 1 cup, sliced cucumber 1 cup, sliced carrot 1 cup, salt and pepper as per your taste, olive oil 2 tablespoons. Now let's see how to do it. Pour sliced carrot, cucumber and corn into a big bowl. Then add salt and pepper. And mix it up. At last, add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now, let's mix all the ingredients well. Here you go. Our healthy salad is ready to eat. If you like it, try it at your home. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe our channel.